subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the continuity of some standard functions. So here totally includes 6 standard functions, namely constant function, rational function, polynomial function, trigonometric function, exponential function and logarithmic function. Continuity of some standard functions. Number 1, first of all we see constant function. Constant function is continuous for all real values. Number 2, polynomial function. If f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus going on plus an x raised n comma n belongs to W, that is set of whole number, comma the constants a0, a1, a2 up to an belongs to set of real number and x belongs to R. Then f of x is called polynomial function. Polynomial function is continuous in its domain R. Number 3, rational function. If f of x and g of x are two polynomial functions, then f of x upon g of x is called g of x is not equal to 0. A rational function is continuous in its domain R. Except when denominator is 0, that is g of x is equal to 0. When denominator is 0, then in that case rational function is not continuous. Then number 4, trigonometric function. Sin x and cos x continues for all x belongs to set of real number. Tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x, they are also continuous on their respective domains. Number 5, exponential function. If f of x is equal to a raised x, comma, a greater than 0, comma, a not equal to 1, comma, x belongs to set of real number, then f of x is called exponential function. F of x is a continuous for all x belongs to real value. Number 6, logarithmic function. if f of x is equal to log x to the base a, comma, a greater than 0, a not equal to 1, x belongs to R, then f of x is called logarithmic function. F of x is a continuous for all x belongs to R plus. That is set of positive real number. Thank you.